Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
65. An old admiral was famous in the Navy for his bad temper, so everyone tried hard not to annoy him. One week his ships were going to take part in a big international exercise, so he came on board in the evening, had his dinner and then went to bed. In the morning he had his breakfast early, came up to the bridge and examined the ships in his group carefully. Then he said angrily, "There should be 2 cruisers in this group, but I can only see one. Where's the other?" No one dared to answer, and this made the admiral even angrier. His face became redder and redder. "Well," he shouted, "what are you fools hiding from me? Where's the second cruiser? What's happened to it? Answer me." At last a young sailor found enough courage to speak. "Please, sir," he said, "you're on it. Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you."